Before you go ahead to purchase that wireless microphone, watch this video and thank me later. Do you know that you can actually record professional and clean sound without purchasing a wireless microphone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can achieve that professional sound without having a wireless microphone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a space where creatives like you find smarter ways to work, whether it's design tips or tricks, tech hacks, or just straight up inspiration from poetry and music. Now, if you find any of my videos valuable to you, please ensure to like, comment, possibly share, and don't forget to subscribe. This helps YouTube to continue to recommend videos to other people whom it may benefit. Thank you very much. Now let's get to the video. Now, if you're a young YouTuber like me and you don't have so much money to spend on purchasing a wireless microphone, this is what you can do. This particular earphone I'm holding, all you need to do is to connect your device to an earphone, anyone you have that is really good, right? Just connect your device, your phone, to the earphone via the Bluetooth option or settings, right? You often see creators holding this and recording. I wondered why they did this. I thought many were doing it for attention, but I discovered that it actually helps with the sound, right? It actually helps to make a clean sound. What you want to do after connecting, when you start shooting your video or you start recording, you just need to have the earphone close to your mouth a little, not so much. It might distort the sound, but just a little bit close to your mouth while you're speaking. It really helps with the sound. And you can actually put it away, it can be far away from you, and the result will still be a clean, and professional sound, right? But when you bring it a little bit closer, it really helps, right? So another benefit of doing this is for creatives or designers who intend to create. Let's say you're trying to record a course, or not just even designers, any other person, you're trying to record a course or screen record with your phone, right? And while you're screen recording, if you use an iOS, when you're screen recording and you are tapping your screen, those tap sounds interrupt the video. But to prevent that, once you connect your earphone to your device, it prevents those tapping noises or sounds from interfering the video. So you have a clean sound, you're hearing everything, your voice is crisp and clear, right? And moving forward, if you have a little bit of change to spend, right, I would recommend you check Jumia store for affordable mic options. They actually have quite affordable mic options than you can get in maybe random stores. Yeah, so this is my little update for today. I hope you found this valuable. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. See you in the next one.